To quickly export your Fusion model for 3D printing, right-click your component or body in the browser and select Save as Mesh. Under Format, choose 3MF, STL, or OBJ. Set your refinement to high to ensure a smooth surface, then click OK to save the file to your computer. To send your model directly to a slicer like Bambu Studio, change the preparation type to Print Utility. If your slicer isn't listed, select Custom, click the folder icon, and find the application on your computer. And a pro tip, always use 3MF instead of STL. It's a more modern format that includes color data and better geometry. Click OK, and your slicer will launch automatically with the model loaded. Avoid using File Export. This triggers Fusion's cloud translator, which is slow. The Save as Mesh method uses your local hardware for an instant export every time. Now that your model is in the slicer, watch this video to learn how to send multicolor 3D prints to Bambu Studio.